Welcome to AutoCAD tips from Caddman tutorials. Today we will see the difference between line and polyline. So if I draw a line and if you observe, you will have two endpoints and a midpoint. So a line can be moved or stretched, or it can be, if you click on the midpoint and you can move this, or you can stretch this, or you can shorten this. But what is the polyline? See, I have a line, and when I go to P edit, that is polyline edit, the shortcut for polyline edit is P edit. Say OK and click on the line. And do you want to turn it into 1? Say yes. Already Y is there. Just enter and say join. You will get an option to join. Enter. So if you check the difference between these two lines, this line has got two endpoints and a midpoint. Here you can see the midpoint is something different. If you hover over this midpoint, you can add a vertex and you can change the polyline into different shape and then convert into arc. So you can even convert that polyline into arc. Okay, so now we'll see the example of one more polyline. This is a rectangle. I go for rectangle. This is a single polyline object. Basically we'll create by drawing lines and joining them to create a rectangle. So if you see the difference between, so if you select all this, you will find the endpoints and midpoints of all the 4 lines. But here if you check it out, you got only 4 endpoints, and this midpoint you can change the shape of the polyline. So now if I wanted to change the shape and add a vertex, and I can make it like this, and I can change this into arc. Say I'll switch off F3. So this is the difference between a polyline and a normal line. This is the normal line and this is the polyline. Thank you.